In this short video, I will show you how to use ChartMill to find false breakout setups. Trading price breakouts is a well-known technique from technical analysis, which is mainly used by price action traders. The breakout strategy can be very profitable if you manage to focus only on the very best setups. When trading breakouts, momentum and volume are of major importance. And via the link in the upper right corner you can watch a video where I explain how to use ChartMill to spot good breakout candidates and how to trade them. Now, even with the very best setups, you'll never be able to avoid that for a number of breakout setups, the price will eventually drop below the breakout level and thus the breakout will fail. That in itself is not a problem. Even if half of the setups fail, you can still be perfectly profitable with a breakout strategy. For example, did you know that with a profit target that is twice as large as your risk, you only need to be correct in 40% of the cases to be consistently profitable? Take 10 breakout trades. 6 trades closed with a loss of -1%, so that equals to -6%. And 4 trades closed with a profit of 2%, which equals to +8%. So the difference, 2%, is your profit. An unsuccessful bullish breakout is due to the fact that the existing resistance level, which still appears to be too strong, and sellers have taken advantage of this to short the stock. If the sellers are strong enough, you often get a real reversal movement in which the bullish breakout was not only eliminated, but the price falls further back into a new downward trend. And speculating on such false breakouts is also a strategy that can be profitable. In ChartMill, you can screen such setups just as well. Go to the Stock Screener page and first select the General tab where you set a few general filters. For this example, I use the following settings: Exchange US only, price above $10, and average volume above 300,000. Then select the Performance section and pick the following settings from the drop-down menu under the Signal tab. New 52-week high in the last 5 days. And below today's performance, slide the small circle from right to left to -2%. This sets up a filter that states that the price must have fallen by at least 2% today. Now let's take a look at the results. 2 charts that stand out right now. That shows exactly what we are talking about. A couple of days ago the price gapped up and broke out above resistance at 25.5. But it didn't last long and price came back. Today the market isn't finished yet, but it isn't looking good for the bulls at all. At this moment, a bearish wide range bar is visible with the current close below the SMA 10. Bulls are covering their long positions. And we will have to wait for the end of the day, but this is an ideal candidate to keep an eye on for a short setup if we get a daily close to the low of the candle. Another one that stands out is PSN, a very nasty bearish bar at the moment, and price is again below the initial breakout level at 42. For this one, I would love to see that price went a little bit up again, forming a lower top, which would be ideal to short with a tight stop above the current high. So always search for decent reversal patterns when trying to benefit from false breakouts. A wide range bearish bar after a doji bar, for example, is a very good candlestick formation to go short. Or a wide range bearish outside candle forming a bearish engulfing pattern is another great start to enter a short position. And if you want to go short, always wait until price is at least 1 tick lower than your signal bar. I'm just going to show you a second way to screen for false breakout setups where I use a custom filter in addition to the regular filters. We start from the previous screen. Choose the custom menu. At the top, first select Property and choose Current Price. For the comparison itself, select Lower Than, and for the right hand side of the equation, select Property again and choose Previous Low Price. Finally, click Add Filter. Now we have not only defined a price drop, but also set a condition that the close of the most recent candle must have closed lower than the low of the previous candle. Have a look at the results of this filter if you leave out the performance filter, which was set up earlier and which determines that the price should have dropped 2%. So be sure to try out some combinations yourself. You'll soon notice that the possibilities are very extensive and that you'll be able to find really nice setups in just a few clicks. Obviously, the number of candidates strongly depends on the market conditions. If there are no breakouts at all, this screen will logically also provide few results. There is also a blog article available regarding this video, which has a direct link to the first specific reversal screen. And I will put a link to the article in the description of this video. If you want to save the screen in your own account, open the link from the blog article and click this icon. Choose a name and save it. This way the screen is available at any time with just one click. So this concludes this short video. Be sure to give us a like if you want to. And if you have any questions or requests for videos, be sure to leave your ideas or thoughts in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Trade safe.